In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a navigation menu on Shopify step by step. Creating a navigation menu on Shopify is a crucial part of setting up your online store, as it helps customers find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. So let's jump right into it and get your Shopify store organized and user-friendly. First, we need to access your Shopify account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your store's homepage. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options, but our focus today is on the Online Store tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will expand a new set of options related to your store's online presence. Next, you'll want to click on Navigation. This section is essential as it holds all the links and menus that direct your customers to different parts of your online store. By organizing it well, you make it easy for shoppers to access the various products and collections you offer. Now that we're in the navigation page, you should see a button labeled Create Menu. Click on this button to start setting up a new menu. It's worth noting that Shopify allows you to create different menus for different purposes, such as a main menu and a footer menu. For this tutorial, we'll be setting up a main navigation menu. Once you've clicked on that, you need to give your menu a name. A simple and clear name like main navigation works well, and it will also help in easily identifying it later. Having a clear naming convention can save you a lot of hassle in the long run, especially as your store grows. The next step is to add items to your menu. Click on Add Menu Item, which prompts a screen where you can input your desired label name. This label is the text that will appear in your store's menu, so make sure it's user-friendly and directly related to the content it links to. Now you need to associate this menu item with a destination. Click on Link and you'll be given several options for where you can direct this menu item, such as collections, products, pages, or even external URLs. Choose the destination that makes the most sense for the label you've decided on. This ensures a coherent flow when your customers navigate through your site. After setting up all the menu items, don't forget to save your progress. There's a Save button on the top right corner of your screen. Click this to ensure all the changes you've made are applied and visible to your patrons. And there you have it. Your Shopify navigation menu is set up and ready to guide your customers through your store's offerings. Remember, you can always return to this menu to make adjustments as your product range evolves, or if you want to enhance user experience by tweaking your navigation setup. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with your newly organized Shopify store.